always refining, we're always making the vans better. Obviously the key considerations for us is light, so keeping the weight down, obviously a well insulated body, and really giving value to our customers and making them easier to use. So we've had great success with our Summit series with a full remote digital switching system, and we've decided to roll that out across the range for 2020. So it's a really big move from us. The main reason we're doing it is, again, controllability, really monitoring for the vans, but also there's some really neat features that come on when you do digital switching. So we've gone really in depth in this project to make sure that it's all modularized. So each side of our caravan is controlled differently, and that's really actually stripping weight out of the van as well, as far as heavy harnesses through the van. So it's a really smart way to do it. The system that we're using isn't a new system. We've actually used this pretty extensively. I've used it in a lot of really high-end super yachts before. It's called C-Zone. It's out in New Zealand, but the main thing here is it's fully tailored to zone. So you can see up on the board here, we got all of our tank levels, we got solar inputs, battery monitoring, all of that stuff. When you've got the screen, and this is off-road series and up, you're going to be able to monitor that on your phone and your iPad as well. So it's fully wireless controlled. As we scroll through here, this is an 18'6". You can see we got the layout at 18'6" externally, so we can turn our airbags on and off. We go inside the van, we want to turn the overhead light on. We're just going to click on the overhead light for the kitchen, and she's going to come across. There we go. We're going to turn it on. Lights are on. The other beauty of that system is she's fully dimmable, okay? So we can dim our footlocker lights, our overhead lights, under lights, we can do everything. So it's a really nice system. Again, rolls through on the iPad. The other benefit of this system, once we go up to the next step, is we can program this, okay? So we want to go night camp mode's a good example. Let's pop that on night camp mode, and you'll see that only the strip lighting's on, and it goes to 25% brightness. So it's all this clever stuff that we're putting in here, makes it nice and usable. You can monitor it outside as well. There's a bedside light switch, so you can turn your ensuite light on from there. It's a really neat system. So it's only one of the innovations in the 2020 spec, but she's a big move for zone. Again, weight down, usability, just really making them extra modern.